Libra, welcome again to another video. For today, let's do a September update and tingnan natin kung anong paparating and advice for you. But before we proceed, this is for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising or Ascendant, Saturn. And if you have maraming Libra placement sa iyong natal /birth chart, this video might be for you. Para naman sa mga continuously nagsasubscribe, nagbibigay ng kanilang energy sa pamamagitan ng pag-comment, like, share ng ating videos, pag-follow, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. I can really see you and appreciate you all ng sobra-sobra. Thank you. Please continue to support so that we can do this ng mas madalas. Thank you so much. Tingnan natin ang iyong September energy, Libra. Kung gusto niyo rin ng private readings with me, pwede niyo akong kontakin sa mga social media na makikita sa description ng video ito. And I'm more active in TikTok. On TikTok rather. Let's see. September energy nyo. Gamitin mo itong guide kung makaresonate. Kung hindi naman, ibigay sa iba. Uy, we got the Wheel of Fortune. Dinalaw ka ng swerte. Or sabihin natin, luck energy, expansion, energy of luck and expansion for the month of September, Libra. The Hierophant. Eight of Cups. Ace of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Okay. And wait. Let's do kung ano ang paparating for you. Ano ang posibleng paparating for you, Libra? Pwedeng blessings or guidance. Ayun, tingnan natin. Five of Pentacles. The Empress. The Fool. The Hanged Man. Three of Swords. Okay. Una, dito tayo sa energy mo for the month of September. Kaya nga nasabi ko kanina, Libra, dinalaw ka ng the Wheel of Fortune. This is a luck and expansion card. Could be, for some of you, connected kayo sa Pisces and Sagittarius. For some of you naman, makakatanggap ng magandang energy when it comes to business, career, trabaho. And for some of you, ang energy ninyo when it comes to your career, focus kayo and building ng stability and wealth. Pero meron kayong energy of panghihinayang for some of you connected dito sa love life. Tinatry nyong baliwalain yun at i-focus yung energy ninyo sa kung anong meron kayo. For example, career, academics. Pero lagi siyang bumibisita sa iyong utak. Meron kang pwedeng malaman when it comes to this loved ones mo or mahal mo sa buhay, romantic partner, pero sa ngayon parang in denial ka pa lang. You are also trying to, for some of you, Libra, trying to master something that can increase your money, wealth, And for some of you, meron kayong marireceive when it comes to this kind of thing. Kunwari ikaw ay nagmamaster or nag-coach or balak mong pumasok sa isang learning industry. Pwedeng ikaw yung estudyante, pwedeng ikaw yung teacher or coach. And for some of you, mag-ingat sa agad-agad na pagsispend. Yung kunwari, nakatanggap ng bonus o bili agad ng ganito, bili agad ng ganyan, nakatanggap ng allowance or ng kung anong form of money or wealth. Bili ng kung ano-ano hanggang sa hindi na makapag-save. For some of you here, meron ako nakikitang get together with a friend, ayun, at magiging magandang conversation. For some of you, this friend, nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaunawaan in the past, but you're open, guys, to reconnect and reconstruct. Pwedeng lover mo din ito. For some of you, ang expected, pwedeng expect mong blessings or warnings is be careful and mindful then when it comes to your health, especially if meron ka nang iniinda, especially related sa iyong mind. Kung ikaw ay madalas ino-overthink ng mga hindi mo makontrol or tawagin natin anxiety related sa mind na health, you should find a way to ask for help. Ayun. And for some of you, mas magkakaroon ka ng magte-take risk ka or pwedeng magkakaroon ka ng impulsive decision na magbago or may baguhin ka sa iyong physical na kaanyuan. Or for some of you, mas magpo-focus ka sa iyong beauty within and yung sa inyong physical. For some of you, meron ako nakikita dito, mas magiging active ka. And for some of you here, meron din ako nakikitang energy dito na you might feel stuck and still healing from the past, from breakups, or pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng encounter na ganito, a breakup, yung expectations na hindi na meet, or expectations na hindi mo nakamit. Ayun, hindi mo nakamit, hindi mo na-achieve. And for some of you, don't forget to really alam mo yung be mindful sa spending habits mo, especially when you're emotional, when you're drained, when you're happy. Take a look at those spending habits. And advice, Libra. Five of Wands, Two of Wands, Queen of Cups, King of Swords, and Knight of Cups. Okay. For some of you, huwag kayong magpadalos-dalos when it comes to decision making, lalo na kung ito ay related sa pera, related sa arguments sa family, sa social, sa malalaking group of people. Baka kasi yung mabitawan mong salita or yung decision is dala ng iyong nararamdaman pero hindi talaga iyon ang gusto mong iparating or sabihin. For some of you, I can see there's this a plan to fix something related sa emotions. Could be you will focus more on your physical or health kasi gusto mo magkaroon ng regulated nervous system, regulated thoughts or thinking process. For some of you, after a long period of silence or ignoring or yung pagsawalang bahala when it comes to the matter sa heart, you will feel more that urge to communicate, to say something kahit na medyo galit ka, to free yourself from those overthinking and deep emotions. I can see for some of you, there's this still energy of alam mo yung emotional immaturity, andun pa rin yan. And so, be careful talaga when it comes to padalos-dalos na decision making. Kasi this heartbreak, pwedeng, ang nagkikita ko dito, ang pwedeng maging rason nito is your padalos-dalos na decision making. So, be careful when it comes to that. Mag-decision kung kalmado ka na. I know it's hard, pero at least have some idea to really kumalma ka muna bago ka magsalita or mag-decide. So this is your reading, your Libra. I hope it helps. Don't forget to follow, comment, like, subscribe to be more updated sa iba't ibang readings. Thank you!